In period 1 of the lesson, How Big, How Heavy, we implemented the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation to guide the students through the concept of 2D and 3D objects and the associated importance of being able to measure length, weight and volume. Now, in order to take students through an experiential learning session, we need to make the following arrangements in the class. We need a beaker or a measuring cup with measure marked for liquid volume, water, centimeter graph sheets with simple geometrical shapes drawn on them, mechanical balance to weigh objects with weights of 500 grams and 1 kilogram. Objects to be weighed such as potatoes, cucumber, matchstick boxes which have simple 3D shapes. Once we have gathered all the required materials, we will then begin with the teaching session. Initiate an activity to introduce the concept of units of volume and application of 4 operations in determining weight and volume. For this, we will make use of beaker and water. Hold the beaker in hand and ask the students, "Do you know what this is in my hand?" Accept all relevant responses. Inform the students that this is a beaker. Can you tell me what a beaker is used for? Accept relevant responses. Inform them. A beaker is used to measure water. Following this information, point at the volume marks on the beaker and ask, "Can you tell me what these marks on the beaker stand for?" Students may reply saying that the marks measure the liquid inside it in ml. Enquire with the students, "Can you tell me what ml stands for?" Possible response, milliliter. Tell them that now we will learn how to measure the liquid in the beaker. Pour liquid into the beaker up to the first mark. Ask the students to read the number on the mark. Repeat the activity with the subsequent marks. Discuss with the students the various quantities in the beaker. And that is how we guide the students to learn and understand the units of volume. Now, let's continue the discussion further and guide the students to understand the concept of determining perimeter of simple geometrical figures and units of lengths. But let's do that in our next video.